Verbs: to represent, represented; to respect, respected; to promote, promoted. For example, the students represented the school very well, okay, in a project. So people should respect elderly people. So they promoted a very good event. Now, vocabulary: tolerance, intolerance, assumption, biased, rejection, immigration, girl, tradition, dubious, policy. Do you think that there is a lot of intolerance against other people in our country because of their race, their religion, and their social condition? Do you think that there is? So now let's go to expressions. To break down. To break down is the same as to collapse. Alright, it means to break down. So when she received the bad news, she broke down. Alright, so she collapsed. She had a nervous attack. So pros and cons. What are the pros and cons of technology? Okay, advantages and disadvantages. To set in stone. So this expression means so something difficult to change. Alright, so em português we say when something, quando algo está o que? Arraigado. Alright, so we say to set in stone. For example, the tradition in our family is set in stone for many years. To hold true, to keep the word. For example, my friends always hold true. He keeps his word. To be aware of, so you have to conjugate verb to be. I am aware of the violence. I am aware of the illness that is spreading all over the world, and we have to take care of ourselves. So I am aware. Now, grammar: future perfect. So we use future perfect to talk about future actions that will be completed in a determined time in the future. So we use the expressions by the end of the year, for, let me see another, by the end of the year, by tomorrow, by next year. So this is the time when the action will be completed, okay, in a determined time in the future. So the structure is subject, will have, always will have. If the subject is he, she, it doesn't matter, will have. And the verb in the past participle, don't forget, past participle. To make negative, you just put not after will. You can say will not or won't. To ask a question, we are going to place will in the beginning of the sentence, okay? Before the subject. Will, subject, verb to have, and the main verb, the principal verb, in the past participle. So now, they will have discussed the new policy by the end of the week. We will have encountered a solution by the time you get back. We will have done it before the conference is over. Due to bad weather, they won't have arrived in time for the wedding. We won't have reached the great result if we continue arguing instead of being a team. So if things continue like this, we won't have taken vacation by the end of the year. Will you have graduated in 1 or 2 years from now? Why won't they have completed the investigation by tomorrow? Will they have published his new book by next year? Okay, so this is when the actions will be completed in a certain time in the future. Alright, this is the idea of future perfect. So now let's train. We are going to train the structure and vocabulary. I'm gonna give you this sentence as a model, and you are going to follow this model. Model. We have discussed it. By tomorrow, we have discussed it. By tomorrow, we will have discussed it by tomorrow. Again, we have discussed it. By tomorrow, we will have discussed it by tomorrow. You have to put will, alright, and the time expression at the end of the sentence. Now I have finished it. By next year, your package has arrived. In 2 weeks from now, she has made all the crafts. By Friday, they have sent me a new laptop. By the end of the month, we have reached the highest level. By the end of the year. So there are 5 sentences. You choose 3, okay, to make the change. Alright, you can choose any sentence. It's up to you. Now, make questions. Example. I'm gonna give you the sentence in the affirmative. You change it into a question and answer in you change it into interrogative and answer in the affirmative. Example. I know the new employee who has just been hired. Ask a question. Do you know the new employee who has just been hired? Answer in the affirmative. Yes, I know the new employee who has just been hired. Now you. She has been promoted as the new manager. Okay, ask a question, answer in the affirmative. They should be aware of the changes. He was biased about one of the girls' work. The agreement has already been set in stone. We must go to immigration when we get there. You choose 3 sentences, changing to question, answer in the affirmative, and later you send me by WhatsApp. Now, you are going to change into negative, okay, the sentence in the future perfect. Example. The class will have ended by the time you come back. Negative. The class won't have ended by the time you come back. The sentences are in the affirmative and you change into negative. This party will have ended before midnight. He will have graduated in 3 years. They will have finished the construction of the house by May. We will have saved all the money we need in 4 months. I will have taught all the subjects by the end of the semester. Change 3 sentences to change in the negative. Now, I'm gonna give you the sentence. You are going to ask a question, answer in the negative. Example. I know the new employee who has just been hired. A question. Do you know the new employee who has just been hired? No, I don't know the new employee who has just been hired. Now you. He is the one who will represent the company. They still follow strict traditions. The policy can be changed. She thinks his arguments are dubious. She respected my point of view. You choose 3 questions to answer, okay, in the negative. So now, let's go to the next lesson, 206. Ask your friend. You are going to follow the example to answer. I'm gonna answer as in the example. When will you finish the report? You are going to answer using the expression in the parentheses. I will finish the report in 2 months or so. Okay, when you answer, you have to use the expression in the parentheses. When are you going to get married? At the end of May. Don't forget to use the time expression in the parentheses. When will you graduate from college? In about 2 years. When will you have finished paying for your car? By the end of the month. When are you going to present the new project? Tomorrow morning. When will your sister have had the baby? By December. When will you give them an answer about the job? Maybe in a couple of days. So there are 6 questions and you choose 3 to answer. So now, celebrity. So the celebrity today is about Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi. You are going to read the text and later you are going to answer the questions about him. Why is Gandhi important to India's history? Where and when did he learn about the philosophy of non-violence? How is he viewed worldwide? What kinds of things does a non-violent resistance include? What's your opinion on this kind of resistance? Is it effective? You are going to read the text to answer these questions. So now let's go to the end. So at the end, I'm gonna dictate the song. Now justify your answer. So you choose one answer to one question to justify. While visiting other countries, should we act according to our own culture or the other countries? Can a couple from different countries live in harmony? If you lived in another country, would you rather act according to your own culture? Can people with a cultural background adapt to other cultures? Choose one to answer. Now, food for thought. It is to think about, to reflect. A speech was given in 2009 by Chimamanda Adichie, a respected writer on the dangers of stereotyping. So, is it fair to judge a book by its cover? It means a person for his or her appearance. What do you think about people who act like that? How do you see your culture related to others? How could prejudgment be avoided? Why do you think people always tend to see their culture as better related to others? Okay, so you choose one question, okay, to answer. So now I'm gonna dictate the missing parts from the song. The first, I found forever love in you. Second line, you showed me how. Third, the best decision ever. Fourth, make me feel. Fifth, live in love with you. Now the next, being loved by you. So the next side of the song, okay, the next side. I've come to know the love I hoped to find one day. Is living love with you. Is being loved by you. Okay, so don't forget to send me the answers by WhatsApp. Goodbye.